Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the problem and avoiding needless disassembly. First, plug in AC power and test shift with an external USB keyboard and the on-screen keyboard so you know if it's hardware versus software. Once done, open Device Manager and scan for hardware changes and update the keyboard driver. This often fixes firmware or driver glitches. If drivers update or the external works, you avoid internal work. If not, prepare for targeted cleaning and key removal next. You now handle the physical mechanism because debris or a misaligned scissor hinge causes most stuck shift issues. Power off the laptop, remove the battery if possible, and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Gently pry the shift keycap, inspect the scissor hinge, and clean underneath with 90% isopropyl on a swab and short bursts of compressed air to remove dust. Once clean, reseat the hinge and keycap firmly, then test actuation. Make small adjustments until the key registers reliably. You finish by addressing deeper faults and knowing when to escalate. If the switch or scissor mechanism is visibly broken, replace the key assembly with an exact Dell part or a compatible set. This restores travel and electrical contact. For intermittent behavior, boot into BIOS and test the shift. If it fails there, it's hardware and you should contact Dell or a repair shop. Finally, make sure to document symptoms and steps taken. That speeds warranty or repair conversations and avoids repeated work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.